Abu na gaba da zamu yi magana akai shine body of the letter. Body of the letter shine inda za ka yi rubutunka, me letter ka ta kusa, me kake so a yi maka, duk za ka faɗi damuwarka a cikin body of the letter. So idan mun manta ba, a darasin mu na baya wanda ya wuce na kawo mana questions wanda muka ce za mu bayar da misalin body of the letter akan kowanne daga cikin su. Question na ɗaya da muka bayar daga cikin questions ɗin da muka faɗa shine muka ce the Borno State Governor had been attacked few days ago in his way to Waka town. Many people within and outside the country had been shocked about this unbelievable attack to the governor. As an indigen of his state, right to sympathize with him on what was happening and encourage him in his war against insurgency. Abin da wannan question ɗin yake nufi shine gwamnan jihar Borno an yi attacking ɗinsa, wato an kai masa hari a kwanaki kaɗan da suka wuce. Mutane da yawa da cikin Najeriya da wajen Najeriya suna ta yin mamaki akan wannan abin da ba abin a yarda ba ne, akan abin da ba zai yi ba. To kai a matsayinka na ɗan Borno, indijin na Borno, to ka rubuta masa leta domin jajanta masa abin da ya faru da shi, sannan kuma kana mai bashi ƙwarin gwiwa akan yaƙi da yake yi na rashin tsaro a Borno. So wannan ita ce misalin letter da muka rubuta masa. Ga ta nan kamar da kuke gani, Dear Professor Babagana Umar Zulum. To title na letter mu zai zama Sympathy on the recent attack and encouragement in your war against insurgency. Wannan shine muka yi zama title na letter mu. Amma kowa ma zai iya title na letter shi daban, abin da dai ake so ya zama to wannan title na letter naka yana bayar da ma'ana abin da yake ciki. Za mu fara karantawa. In discomfort and grievance, I humbly write this letter with full of respect to sympathize with you on what was happened very recent to your convoy in your way to Waka town in Kukawa local government area of Borno State. It was very unfortunate, sir, as a governor, to be attacked in Borno State, as we have many securities personnel, including Department of State Services, DSS, soldiers, policemen, boys, vanguard, vigilant, and the rest, but cannot protect the state from gunmen as well as the governor himself. Sir, several years, Borno State is in single stage. It is not moving forward as the remaining states of Nigeria. We have no development in our state due to this long insurgency. Sir, our farmers cannot farm, our traders as well as our businessmen cannot import and export goods in the local government areas of the state. If they have imported goods from other states to Borno State, the goods cannot be sold. Many people of Borno State local governments have been relocated to Maiduguri because they may not be opportune to sit in their local governments in peaceful condition, and their children here have no means to study because their schools have been closed due to the insurgency and they have been relocated to a different location. Although the government have attached them to other schools here in Maiduguri and Jere local government areas, but some of them are not going to the schools. Some of them are working on the streets, begging people money. Some of them are just sitting in their camp, while others have started business and they earn their daily income. Sir, all this insurgency is happening due to the interest of some specific people in the country, and also due to the negligence and lack of jealousy of some of our securities in their war against insurgency. As we mentioned that there is sabotage in the fight against insurgency, of course there is. And many people have agreed with their statement that there is sabotage in the battle on insurgency. In his statement to the British Broadcasting Corporation Hausa, BBC Hausa, which was reported by Ibrahim Isa, Barrister Bulama Bukarti, an expert researcher on the securities issue in Africa, he stated that you are the governor of Borno State and you are the one who know what is actually happening in your state than anybody. He said that you are not the first person to mention sabotage on the issue of insurgency in Nigerian securities. Murtala Inyako, the former governor of Adamawa State, also mentioned that when he was a governor of Adamawa State about Madagali's attacks. Lastly, due to the situation that our state found itself, sir, I am encouraging you and I am also begging you to continue doing this hard working to save our state from insurgency and to save our people who found themselves in hardship. I asked Almighty Allah to be your guide and protect you wherever you are. Wannan ita ce letter da muka rubutawa Gwamnan Borno. Insha Allah a darasinmu na gobe za mu kawo muku letter da muka rubutawa Gwamnan Kano Dr. Abdullahi Umar Ganduje. Ku yi mana subscribing, ku yi liking, ku yi share. Wassalamu alaikum warahmatullahi.